Guys, I didn't get a chance to show you the room yesterday because I was quite tired by the time I got here. In fact, I'm not feeling particularly well. Got a bit of a cold. But yeah, this is the place where I'm staying. It's a nice room here in Revin. Got it on booking.com for about 160 euros. That's for 2 nights. I couldn't really find anything just for a single person that was convenient. Quite nice and comfortable. The bike is parked in a garage outside, away from the street, away from eyes. So yeah, very happy. Nice and comfortable, clean, good bathroom, good views. You can see the forest out there. Yeah, fairly happy with this. Changing plans today. Didn't really sleep very well. Got a bit of a blocked nose. Feeling a bit tired. So might just take it a bit easy. Just maybe go for a walk and then just do a shorter ride. Not that I had planned a ridiculously long route. If I was feeling okay, it might have been fine. But the way I'm feeling, I'm just going to go for a shorter one today. Well, we'll see. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Be careful with the stinky knuckles. She did warn me about this. Okay. So the river is over there, and the mountains. And apparently I can go over that way, cross the bridge, and come back on the other side. Well, I'm back from my little walk. Still feel like crap. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a lunch. Walk 9,000 steps so far today. But nothing on the bike. Gonna have a little nap. See how I feel after. Might go out just for a little quick tour and find somewhere for dinner. But yeah, I'm all bunged up. I feel congested. I've got this annoying little dry cough. Yeah, I've got a very, very big day tomorrow because I've got to ride all the way from here in the Ardennes down to the Vosges Mountains. And the route I have planned stops in Verdun and looks at some war memorials. It's 250 miles, probably too much. I might have to change those plans. Anyway, that's it for now. Catch you later. Right, I decided to man the fuck up and go out for a ride. A couple of paracetamol, I should be good. I'm gonna stay at home dying from terminal man flu. That's nice. So yeah, let's see a little bit of the Ardennes then, shall we? This is part of the route that I had planned, but I'm obviously not going to be doing the whole thing because the whole thing was supposed to take all day. Just take part of it, see how far I go, how far I survive, and then turn back. The place is dead. It's like really, literally nothing happening on a Sunday. It's a nice quiet place to stay, but not if you're looking for entertainment. Quiet if you want to, keep the bike somewhere nice and safe and quiet.
But if you're feeling ill and you don't want to get on the bike and you want to go somewhere walking, you're gonna struggle in Revin. Well, there's your top tip for today. There it is, La Meuse, the River Meuse. Lifeu. I don't know how to pronounce French place names. Or I hardly know how to pronounce English place names. And I've lived there for over 30 years. Yes, it's a beautiful little river valley because you got the river down there and then these mountains just come off the top straight up with the forest. It's quite beautiful. Quite little place though. I guess it's good if you want to retire, come somewhere comfortable and quiet. But look at that, look at the sweep of the hills. Absolutely beautiful. Really enjoyable. It's a quiet Sunday blast in the afternoon. It is nearly 4 o'clock. I did spend most of today on my deathbed with terminal man flu. I decided to Madagascar. Ski Pluie, or whatever his name is. Anyway, yes, I decided to just pop a couple of paracetamol, harden the fuck up and get out. Funny. Feel better already. Oh. Pardon me, this is the cough been annoying me for some time now. Well, and just like that, we're in Belgium. Just went past the sign back there. Didn't even have time to turn the camera on, but there you go, Belgium. We're on our way to the Orval Abbey. I'm not even sure if they're going to be open this time, but oh well, we'll see, huh? We'll soon find out. Seems to be a bit more life in Belgium. The restaurants and stuff open over here. I really don't feel well, I think it might be time to turn back. Oh wow, what a view. Well folks, at this stage I decided that it's getting late in the day. I'm starting to get a little bit tired. I have a big day tomorrow, and so I just took some photos, turned back and went back to have a rest and get ready for the big trip tomorrow, which you can see in the next episode. So thanks for watching this far. Don't forget to leave a comment and like, and if you haven't already done so, just subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Au revoir.
And just like that, we're back in France. Parc Rochehaut des Ardennes. There you go. That's the border. That's the country border in Schengen area Europe for you. So easy to travel.